Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year, only know like months. Like move fast, we do what we want.
All right, YouTube. Welcome to the vlog. Today is my niece Alora's birthday. Say hi, Alora.
Hi.
How old are you?
4.
You're 4. What we about to do? What we about to do? We're about to go get some cupcakes and I have a surprise. Landry said he wasn't going to tell the surprise. He was going to keep it. What you was going to keep it?
Look at me.
You was going to keep it a buck?
Look at me.
But you told everybody.
Look at me.
All right, so we're finna go ahead and get cupcakes. It is raining really bad. really, really bad. It took us way too long to get here. But I had to be safe. Okay? See y'all in the store.
Where are we?
We're at my favorite store.
We're at the favorite store.
Yeah, my favorite store is Publix. Like, I live by that.
I want to slip in the water.
You're not going to slip in the water. You ready? Come on. Come on, Dolores.
Come on.
We're going to walk really slow, okay?
Why
Excuse me. Because I'm a YouTuber. There you go.
So,
What we're about to do, yeah, talk to like a YouTuber.
so.
Hold it up. Hold it up like this. So you can see your face. We can't see your face. There you go. Hold it. You gotta hold it so you can see you. You want to get in the shopping cart?
You can
You want to get in this one more?
Okay, I want to get on it. Here you go. I like cars.
Okay, wait, hold on. Who's the struggle of trying to get everybody in the buggy? I haven't done this in a long time, so y'all bear with me. Bear with me. Whoa. Huh? Laura, look back. It's your birthday.
Yay!
Excuse me, do you have any fresh cupcakes back there? Yes. Can we, is it already icing on? Okay. Oh, let me see. You gonna hold your cupcake? You wanna hold the camera? Yeah, we're gonna put the cupcakes right here. Oh, you want me to get it? Nah. You wanna hold it? Hold on. You gotta talk to the camera. Like, this can't smell.
Alright, that was a grocery store. That was a lot of days. Like, Yummy!
It's been raining like all week here, but we just came, we're leaving Publix, and look at this rain, y'all. Look at this. It's a really rainy day today. But it's okay, because guess what?
What?
It's only water. Only water. And we're only going to get a little bit of wet. If we try to dodge the raindrops, you get wetter. So we're going to take our time and walk of Alora's day because it's her birthday.
Yeah, her birthday! Yeah. Oh!
At the stop sign, turn right onto Howard Avenue. Then the destination is on your right.
Whoa! Where you see the horsey at? You have to help the birthday girl. She's stuck. Okay, what are we doing, y'all?
We are going somewhere that's fun. Yeah.
Why are we going somewhere that's fun?
Because it's Alora's birthday.
All right, so we are in Market Cummins at this place called Adventures, ED, not AD. Adventures. We was going to go to the playground, but the rain won't let me be a great auntie today. So we're going to go inside today. No, it's not actually the playground. It's the Adventures over here in the corner. All right, let's go. It's a video. Come on. Whoa, okay. So we can have fun. What y'all want to play?
It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday. It's your birthday, girl. It's your birthday.
It's your birthday, girl. You know it's your birthday. Show the world that it's
Barefoot on the track.
time to fly. Throw your hands up to the sky, yeah. Going up, cause we're celebrating life, yeah. Another trip around the sun. Gotta have some fun with the tribe or a party you want. Cause it's only good vibes. You the star, get your shine. Ain't no waiting in line. Cause it's your day, it's your time, yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead and show off.
She doesn't want to wait to sing happy birthday. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alora. Happy birthday to you. Yay, there's no candles because we don't want to catch it up out here. Okay, so we just left from the adventures place. Did y'all have a good time?
Yes.
10 out of 10? Okay, the sun has came out, but the park is still wet, so I don't know. We're probably gonna go take a nap. There's no rain. Did the birthday girl have fun? There's no rain, so we're probably about to go back and just take a nap because the adult is tired right now.
Where are we going?
We're going to take a nap. You ready to take a nap?
Nope.
No,
It's Sunday.
it's not Sunday.
Yeah, today.
No, it's not. It's Thursday. And it's like 12 o'clock. It's nap time.
What?
Yes. You done had cake. You done had a PB&J and some juice. And you done played your little heart out. You not tired? Nope. All right. Okay, what you going to say, Lord?
Thank you for a fry. Thank you for a fry.
What was the other thing you were saying?
Thank you for a nugget. Thank you for a nugget.
Thank you.
You for Listen. This is wicked.
He's what?
And this is talking.
Yeah, he's talking.